You ain't never afraid to be by yourself. You ain't never afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. You don't need a man, you do it by yourself. You did it by yourself.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is India Story, and if you are new here, thanks for watching, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back, sis. So today I am bringing you a unboxing type of video. So I know you see the name of the title, and it's about the brand Coach, and I'm trying to figure out, is Coach coming back? So I've been seeing a lot of influencers promote Coach. I know they have a new collection. So yeah, after I started noticing that influencers was promoting their new collection with their pillow purses, I went on their site and noticed that Sierra was kind of doing like a collab with them around Mother's Day. So after seeing that Sierra had collabed with Coach, I went on Coach and seen the collection. That collection is the pillow. I think it's called like the pillow collection of purses. The one that I like is cream. It has like a big C on the front. So that was the one I had my eye on. It reminds me of like a leather pillow, like a leather couch pillow. I had my eye on the cream one. So after that I was on Instagram, just scrolling, and Coach popped up. You know, when you search something on Google, it pop up in the ads on Instagram. This purse I seen, I was like, oh, this is Coach. Like, what the hell? This purse was cute. Like, it's like a box shape, a square shape, a box shape, and it reminds me of a old school jewelry box. I did purchase the purse. Regular price, I think it was $358. I got it for $202 because really I think it came out around December. But I did want the cream pillow purse, but once I seen this purse, I was like, pillow who? So yeah, I wanted this purse. I got it. I purchased the purse, and I like it. Like, you know, most people would say, Coach, you know, and I used to say that. Really, I used to say that. My mom, she wear Coach, and she always said like Coach is still a luxury brand. Like, they have purses that cost up to, you know, $600, $700, but you know, I wasn't into that. I was like, bump that, honey. Coach is on Michael Kors level to me. But when I seen this purse, and I'm a fashion girl, so I'm not into like, oh, I have to have a designer bag, or you know, I have to have that bag, or it have to be designer or a luxury brand. Whatever I see, if y'all see my previous vlogs and videos, I shop at the thrift store. I shop anywhere. Like, if I like the item, I'm going to purchase the item. Like, that's just period. So once I seen this purse, I said, yeah, I need this bag. And then not only did I see it on Instagram, my friend at work, she's kind of older, but she still wear Coach as well. She showed me the purse too, so I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get that bag. I'm going to show you. So the purse that I purchased is the Georgie Gem crossbody in block signature canvas. It's basically a block. I'm gonna put a picture up as well with the Coach symbol in the front. It's cream, brown, black. So this is the bag. I'm not gonna say this is a luxury unboxing because, you know, whatever you want to call it, I'm just showing you my new Coach bag that I purchased. So this is the bag, and I love it. It have the all C's on the purse. It have the symbol right here. So when I first seen this purse, it reminded me of the LV the Louis Vuitton Vanity Monogram Canvas shoulder bag. I was like, that is real cute. Like, Coach or not, I'm finna get this purse. So I purchased the purse, and inside it opened like this, and this was inside. It does come with the strap. It does come with the strap. Now the strap is like a, let me put this to the side. The strap and the handle on top is more like a reptile skin, brown and tan. And you can place it on the side. Now the LV bag is brown as well. It's square. I will place a picture on top as well of that. So yes, I love this bag. This is how it looks with the strap. I probably wear it without the strap more than with the probably wear it like this more than with the strap. So inside, the paper is still inside. So inside is basically a like a Coach little manual tag. It have like an open inside to place your cards or anything. But yeah, this remind me of like an old type jewelry box that probably like my grandma would have, or my mom. I think my mom did have like a jewelry box like this. So yeah, this is my new purse and I love it. It was $378 and I got it for $202. So like I said, this is not in the new collection, but I liked it and I wanted to show you all. They do have a red one like this, a black one, and a cream one, but I wanted this color. The other colors, the red did catch my eye, but I did want like a purse I could wear with everything. I didn't want a black purse, and I did want the cream pillow purse, but I don't like the cream in this purse. So yeah, this is the bag I purchased from Coach. And like I said, it's not in their new collection, but the new collection is bomb. And today, I mean this month is June, so I think they do have like a Pride collection with like rainbow colors. Some of those was cute as well. Like I said, Coach is coming back. Coach is making their comeback. I like this purse. Coach been popping up. Coach trying to make a comeback in 2021. And if you like the purse, get the purse. Like if you like Coach, even Michael Kors, if you like Michael Kors, get Michael Kors. It don't matter. It's up to you. It's your money. So if you see me with my Coach in the pictures, just like and keep scrolling. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you my new purse from Coach. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you want other unboxing videos, please let me know in the comment. Follow me on Instagram at India Story. I will put it at the bottom of the screen. Follow my business page at ShopModnation, and I will put the link to this purse on the screen. It did probably go on sale. Go check out Coach new purses, new collection. That is the end of this video. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.